Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, now let's talk about the euro dollar. So as predicted, the price around 1.17 put up strong resistance. Price dumped straight after that. The bears managed to push the price down to the 1.15 lows. And at this price, we expect a struggle between bulls and bears, right? This entire price range, right? At the top, we have 1.169, 1.17. At the bottom, we have around 1.15. We think this would form some form of consolidation range where the bulls and bears fight, right, to determine the next the price direction for the sustainable future. And we think this area will be extremely messy. However, our bias is to the downside. So with this green line, we have marked a potential path for the price to go, right? So for here, we may see like some kind of a very small consolidation range, and maybe even break the low and then catch people going down, catch people going the wrong side, right? Take the shot and then it pumps up, right? And so for the bull case, we have for the coming week, we have a very slight bias to the upside, right? Price can move down, break, as I mentioned, indecisively, and then quickly fake out people. But I think the bigger move will be in this coming week will be to the upside. So if you're going for long, please keep your positions small and for a very short period of time. Once it's in the green, move it to break even, so that you don't get caught in the in the wrong direction. This move up will be extremely choppy, right? No clear direction. If you like on a shorter time frame, when you think there's a trend, there's actually no trend, kind of thing. But if you manage to enter around this level, take the break up, you should, and then use this as the bottom, right? Use this as a stop loss. You should see some kind of you should be in the green, right? See some kind of profit. And once price reaches around this level or this level, we really want to get out of the trade, right? So now we talk about the bear case. So in the medium term, right, beyond the next week, which is the first week of November, we think that price would retest this 61.8 level, right? So if price reaches here and here, we really want to go in for the short, place our stop loss here at this top, right? This move shows us that the bears have conviction, right? They may not follow through now because it's not in their best interest to do so, but the bears definitely want to push price down here to retest this level. So let's you could enter the long or just wait for price to move up and then enter the short, which is a better, more sustainable trade. So it's up to you.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.